Hi friends! So today we are gonna read a story. The story's name is Kitty Learns to Protect Nature. And do you know what is nature? Like trees, animals, everything around us. And let me introduce the characters. The girl is Kitty, and behind the tree is Pom Pom, her small brother. So let's start the story. Kitty and her family are going for holidays. Kitty, Pom Pom, do you know where we are going? Kitty's daddy asked them. Pom Pom shouted, we are going to a hill station. Look, all of them are very excited. Wow, this place is so beautiful. Kitty is looking around. Her dad replied, that's right. Friends, isn't the nature so beautiful? It's so beautiful with trees, green grasses, and so much. There are so many trees. I can't even count them. Kitty said to her father. And her father laughed. Ha ha ha. Wish we could have as many trees in our city. Kitty's mother said, we can, Kitty. We have to learn to protect trees and nature. Never break branches or pluck leaves. Use the leaves or the branches that have fallen on the ground. Do not allow trees to be cut. Look, Pom Pom is stopping the dog from cutting the tree. Every year, plant a new tree. Take good care so it grows properly. Trees are like children. They also need love and care. Kitty is planting a tree and her brother Pom Pom is helping her to give water. Look, Mom, there is a nest on the tree. Yes, dear, trees are home to many animals as well. Pom Pom is so excited to see the nature. Kitty's father asked, children, do you know the most important thing that the trees do? They give us fresh air to breathe and stay healthy. Look, Pom Pom and Kitty is getting the fresh air. Kitty and Pom Pom is saying, we promise to take care of the plants and trees and plant a new trees too. Soon our city will also become as beautiful. Look, Kitty and Pom Pom is hugging the tree. They love the nature and they promised to take care of the nature. Friends, we will also protect the nature, okay? fun reading the story with me? Thank you for hearing the story. Next time, I'll come back with another new story. Okay, that's all. Bye!